It is about 2:42 and it is 80, almost 85 in here. Looks like I need to close my screen door because wasps are coming in. I just finished the top shelf, so all my shelves are done. I really like it. It looks nice and fresh, crisp and clean, which was my goal. And the white doors are nice because I will be able to see things easier. So I like that aspect of it. I probably won't use these as spice racks because I just have other things. Okay. The awesome thing about the Twinkie is it has like a pantry and a closet in the kitchen area. And of course another set of these shelves on the door, which is awesome. And of course here is the inside of the pantry, which again I'm glad I painted white. These actually go to the other side of the kitchen. I still need to route my cables under my cabinets before I put those in. And I'm going to assemble this storage rack, which my microwave and my toaster oven will fit on. And this is going to be so great because they will be contained inside this closet. And I have electrical down there. So that works. We're getting there. I still have, stuff laying around everywhere, but we are getting there. By the way, this shelf is from Walmart, and I did measure my closet before I bought the shelf. So better fit. And it is rated to hold 250 pounds per shelf, and of course the microwave and the toaster oven don't weigh that much. So I'll be well within my range. I'm going to assemble it now. I did what I will call a soft assembly. I just kind of put the shelf together. Of course, I realize I have to assemble it the proper way inside the closet because there's no way it's going to go through this narrow door. But I wanted to do just like a soft assembly to kind of get a gauge on things. So what I'm going to have to do, again, I need electricity. I need to build a shelf for my shelf. So on the bottom, I have to build the bottom up. And so that I can have this raised to where I can just reach in and use my appliances without having to bend over really low to use the appliances. Plus, that's a lot of space that could be used to store other things. So, at least I got an idea of what I need to do. So I'm going to just kind of set this aside for now. And went ahead and dropped that panel in because I can always pick it back up. I have to get my cable still. But yeah, I just dropped that in, and I need to get a new drawer thing, a drawer track for the big drawer that goes down here. And of course this thing right here goes in this area, which will be fun. I must have taken it out through the back. I may try to put that in now, and then I'm going to do the shelf paper on my drawers. I got the shelf papers in the drawers. It looks good. And of course this is the cutting board, so it doesn't get shelf paper. And I did this drawer as well. It already has some papers and stuff in it. Okay. Oh boy. It's still daylight. Still fairly early. But unfortunately, I'm at the point now where I need power. It's getting frustrating. I can't really truly assemble this shelf until I don't want anything hitting against the paint. So I can't really truly assemble this or finish assembling it until I get the shelf in that closet. So that's just kind of a rough assembly for now. And I can't finish the closet until I have electrical. Boy, this really sucks that my generator got stolen. It really sucks. And I'm kind of stuck right now. I'm waiting for the person that's going to do my tires, and he's down with the flu right now. I'm afraid I'm going to run out of cool weather. Thank you for watching. I hate being stuck. I hate this limbo stage. Actually, I guess I could work on the plumbing in the bathroom. That still needs to be fixed. That's just a whole nother can of worms, isn't it? So yeah, maybe I'll work on that.